How's it going, guys? So I'm going to show you how to use this right here, a hedge trimmer. That's the cover to it. This actually takes a gas and oil mix, which we have in these small cans here, and I usually put about 2.6. See if I can get it focused on there. 2.6 in there. I put it in the can right here with the gas, and I mix them up real good. And I pour them in here. This little cap right here, just twisting that on off. Got a good bit in there. So I was actually trimming some bushes up. Try to see if you can see them. Yeah, those bushes I trimmed up look pretty good. Look better than they did. So anyway, I'm gonna press this about 10 times, get the fluid through everything. And then push that down, make sure that's pushed down. Of course, when you turn it on, you won't turn it off, you just do that and it'll stop it. And yeah, you should be able to just pull it. So you want to put your hand on this handle when you pull it. Makes it a lot easier. Alright, here we go. Hopefully you can see. Oh, well, try that again. So yeah, that'll turn it on. You want to stop it, just pull that little thing up right here. That was a bad pull my first time, but hey, you can see I've been using it recently. And yeah, we actually got another one over here, which is an electric one. You just put a battery on the back of it. And yeah, so this one right here is pretty cool. Use it sometimes. So yeah. And normally the battery needs charging. Just take it on off there. I haven't used that one too recently, but I'll just stick it on this little charger here. Can't do it one hand. Anyway, you get the idea. I don't even think that's the, yeah, that's the charger for the drill, so that's why that ain't fitting. No wonder. Anyway, yeah, so hopefully that was helpful. Get those hedges trimmed you need trimming, and I will see y'all later. Let me know if you have anything else you want to see in here. Whenever I got some free time, I'm not cutting a bunch of grass, or doing whatever, I can come in here and show you and make it on TikTok. I'll see y'all later.